morning, children. Welcome to class 10th. What you did last year hardly matters, but this year, please study. This year's prove yourself. And please focus for the board examination. Today I am going to give you an overview of the poem, I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings. But before this, I would like to tell you something about the poet Maya Angelou. Maya Angelou was a Black American. She was born on April 4, 1928. She died in 2014. She was a poet, a writer, and a civil rights activist. बच्चों civil rights activists वो होते हैं जो दूसरों के अधिकारों के लिए लड़ते हैं. In this poem, she has recounted about the hardships of her own life. So it's an autobiography of her. Children, this poem is a free verse. It has a universal appeal to the suppressed and the oppressed people all over the world. Children, free verse is a poetry that has no rhyme or has no regular rhythm. This poem relates with the state of the Black Americans in wake of the racial discrimination done or practiced by the whites at that time. Gives expression to the feelings of Black Americans, rather of all oppressed and suppressed to the every corner of the world. It deals implicitly and explicitly with the problems related to gender, race, slavery, discrimination, inequality, freedom, etc. It refers to two birds. One is a caged bird and the other is a free bird swaying and flying high in the sky. The caged bird is a metaphor for Black Americans, and the free bird is a metaphor for white Americans. The poem makes it clear that the caged bird is physically restrained or restricted, but cannot be stopped from singing and dreaming of freedom. On the other hand, the free bird flies high and it has another chance to soar the heights of the sky, the sphere, the firmament. But no such thing is available for the caged bird. It does not give up singing and dreaming of freedom, though its hopes are entombed. Thus, this poetry gives you a wide message that hopes lies eternal. Thank you, children. The overview is over, and my next video will be stanza-wise explanation. It will arrive soon. If you have any kind of queries or any problem, do let me know in the comment section below. Please share, subscribe, like, and please do not forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my new videos, and share this video to the needful, क्योंकि पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया.